increase or decrease. Okay, this is only required. Okay. If you want to set the internal setting, like what kind of unit and what kind of setting you require for generate the output, all need to set na. Hold the S for 3 seconds.
Okay sir.
F1 again na. Press na unit bar. Okay. You can change the PSI and MPa, KPa, KGF and bar. Okay. You set bar, then F1, F0 blinking, then go F1.
Okay.
You set HOS. Okay. Or wind. Okay. Wind setting na.
Okay.
1P is the standard. Lot 1P standard. Okay. Don't change 1N. Okay. 1P is standard.
Okay.
Here na PL low coming.
Okay.
Here if wind setting na, low pressure, high pressure we can able to set. Okay. In HY 5 type na, only pressure, low pressure only we can able to set. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Here na P1 low.
Okay.
So low pressure I setting. Low pressure 0.05. Okay. High pressure 6. Okay. This is not required. Okay.
Sir.
That's all for. Understand?
Our
And gas pressure na.
Yes sir.
Same. S pressure na P1L low pressure.
Okay.
Okay. Low set 3. Okay. High nearly 20. Okay. Enough. P2 not required. Okay. If setting na F1 going to same 3 seconds. Hold, press the S button. Okay. F0 coming. F0 for unit. F0 for unit na. Press one time na unit आ गया. L liter per minute.
Okay.
Flow. If we are going to check the flow na, liter per minute coming. If we want to change its feet. Okay. Liter and feet. Only 2 units only can able to set. Okay. Here liters only. Okay
sir.
Then F1 na output. This symbol only you need to set. YIN. Okay.
Yes.
And lot mein na 1P only standard. Okay. Don't change it.
Okay.
Pressure low already we set it na. Basic setting. Same basic setting only.
Pressure high.
Pressure high. It's a hysteresis. Okay. It's not required. Okay. Then come out.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. This is a basic.